case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1968, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case, Bumper v. North Carolina, focusing on the constitutionality of a search conducted based on warrantless consent. The case stemmed from an incident in North Carolina where a man was found guilty of rape and sentenced to life imprisonment. He argued that his constitutional right to an impartial jury was violated when the prosecution excluded jurors who opposed capital punishment, and that a rifle used as evidence against him was obtained through an unconstitutional search and seizure. The rifle had been discovered when law enforcement officers searched the man's grandmother's house without a warrant, after claiming they possessed one. The legal issue revolved around whether this search could be considered lawful if consent was given only after an official asserted they had a warrant. Although the Supreme Court of North Carolina affirmed the judgment, the defendant appealed. In their ruling, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld the doctrine of coerced consent as invalid, stating that the search was unconstitutional because the defendant's grandmother had not provided valid consent. The court found that the rifle's admission as evidence constituted non-harmless error, reversing the North Carolina Supreme Court's decision and remanding the case for further proceedings. This decision reinforced the state's obligation to prove that consent for a search is given freely and voluntarily. However, the court declined to reverse the judgment of conviction, finding no evidence to support the claim that the jury was prosecution-prone.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.